Hey, what's up, Ankr coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about Ankr coin, guys. In this video, I'm talking about the latest price prediction, the latest price update of Ankr coin. But in the right now situation, I'm talking about the price update of Ankr coin. What surprise changes occur in the Ankr coin? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about Ankr coin. So let's go ahead. The right now price of Ankr in the market is about 0.09653 USD dollar. That is a right now price of Ankr coin. Furthermore, guys, if we talk about the price changes occur in the Ankr coin, so from yesterday, guys, the changes of Ankr coin is start positive. So I'm very happy to see this kind of positive changes. Anyways, guys, let me show you the price chart of Ankr coin. Negative 20.54% changes is negative. I mean the price falls. Negative 20.54%, and the highest price of Ankr coin is about 0.120909 USD dollar. That is the highest price of Ankr coin. And if we study price chart, so you can see that from 7th September and still, guys, the price changes is in the fall. So you can see here that's clear, but in a later situation, I think you can see here 14th September the price start jumping. So possibilities, guys, that they continue this jump for a long time. Anyways, guys, what you think about Ankr coin, please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.